Some people say that Roadies is scripted. Is it?
What is there to script in a show? Like us standing in line, beating the competition.
तू कर रहा है क्योंकि तेरे पास बोलने को कुछ है नहीं, समझा? तेरे पास बोलने को कुछ है नहीं, समझा?
When we go in front of the camera, the pull-ups, push-ups, whatever we do physically, if it's a dancer, the dance, a physical person, somebody's singing. So you see the talent, so you can't script talent, right?
No.
Like currently when I went in Pune, so I was standing in line. मैं ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं since I was a roadie, production वाले जानते हैं तो मैं चले जाऊँगा. No, I went there actually because I wanted to be a part of the journey again. I didn't know that they don't take the contestants, you know, that have already participated. But nonetheless, I was like, मुझे वो फिर से वो journey, that grind, I want to again go. In life, I think we live for
ये आपका सबसे पहला पिक
collecting memories and like when you're out on an adventure, some of those memories stick for life. Like for me, Roadies was one of those journeys. There is a difference between being deserving and being desperate.
I wanted somebody who listens. कौन है वो? That's it.
They don't take people who are just desperate to become a roadie. हाँ मुझे रोडी बनना है तो मुझे ले लो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपको मेहनत भी करनी होती है. You have to be able to showcase that, and if they feel okay, you are a good fit for the show, they will select you.
Welcome to today's episode on the Jerry Show. You know, I'm not someone who watches a lot of reality TV shows because obviously I rarely get time. But there is one show that I really follow since so long. That is MTV Roadies. I've always been inspired by the stories that come to this show and, you know, the interview rounds and everything. And today's speaker is someone, Judge 6, who is a person who made it to this reality show from Odisha. He not only did this reality show, he also won a lot of heart after the show. You know, I was truly inspired by his life because he's a sportsman and his family values are so strong that is going to teach a lot of things to all of us. There is so much to take away from his story, and yes, we had a lot of fun while chit-chatting too. Let's dive into this episode. Before we start this episode, I want to say thank you so much from bottom of my heart for being here. अगर आप यहाँ पे आप फर्स्ट टाइम आए हैं एंड आपको हमारे पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लगे then kindly do follow The Jerry Show. And it will help me to reach more and more people, impact more and more lives, and more than this, I can bring more and more people to my show to inspire you, to help you create a better life. Thank you so much, and let's begin the show. Finally, welcome to The Jerry Show.
Guys, thank you so much for having me here, Jyotsna.
How is life going?
Life is good. Life is good.
What's interesting going on?
Well, a lot actually. Like I've been traveling a lot recently. You know, for the viewers who know me through Roadies, so I was in Pune for the auditions, and it was just thrilling to meet like so many aspiring contestants and stuff like that. It kind of motivated me also. You know, it clicked in my head. You know, I want to do something of my own as well, and that's why I've just been busy conceptualizing another like show format of mine. I was just telling you about it earlier. So yeah, I'm really thrilled and excited about it, and let's see where it goes, you know. Like,
And as you said, you went for the audition thing and, you know, meeting new passion, as you said, वो फीलिंग ही कुछ अलग, उनके आँखों में वो पैशन देख के लगता है कि हमें भी करना चाहिए. What you said,
हाँ जी.
whenever you feel down, you just see them कि with the hope and everything they come. It's really inspiring. Talking about Roadies, I think in 2019 you were there. Like Roadies का idea कहाँ से, ये thought क्यों आया कि मेरे को Roadies करना है?
So तब like I was in Bombay, so I was working as a trainer एक gym में, and was really struggling at that point of time. So then you know, a friend of mine, she told me, why don't you go and audition for this show? You know, you have, you know, some unique talent in you. So फिर ऐसे ही I just took my backpack, took a train, went down to Pune, reached there in the audition venue. It was like some 8 o'clock in the morning, and there was a huge line पूरा लगा हुआ था, like thousands of people standing. So even मैं लग गया line में, and then I think रात के 10-11 बज रहे थे when my turn came for
Oh my
GD1.
God.
And then I gave that round. It was like, you know, they test you mentally, physically, you know, they see how strong you are, not just physically, but also mentally. They test your patience, how much you can take, you know, and they put you on a spotlight. And it was बहुत कुछ हुआ, you know, I showed my physical talents and then roasting हुआ, बहुत कुछ हो रहा था.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think वो पहला पड़ाव जो होता है ना, GD1, that was the toughest nut to crack, and after that there was GD2, and then
That
what we
was
got
like
to
your
see.
first impression.
Yeah, it was crazy. Like the whole atmosphere इतना मतलब, क्योंकि अपने इंडिया में there's so many talented individuals.
Yeah.
आप जब वहाँ पे जाते हो ना, that is when you actually see and realize, you know, like the plethora of talent that we have. Like it's pretty crazy the environment. और कुछ लोग वहाँ पे like even अभी पुणे में मैं जब गया था, like I met so many aspiring like you could say candidates who want to become roadies जो 10-12 साल से भी try कर रहे हैं, and it was just crazy to see their passion and you know, the amount of talent. It's just crazy. And yeah, it's a one of a kind show जहाँ पे no matter what talent you have, there's this platform where you can showcase it. So it was,
So some
it's always
people
been,
say that
Yeah.
roadies is scripted. Is it?
well, it's people, this question keeps like bothering me as well, because sometimes it kind of makes us people who have really worked their ass off, you know, to go to the show and, you know, make a name for themselves. Then you come and like people ask you, is it scripted? What is there to script in a show? Like us standing in line, beating the competition. When we go in front of the camera, the pull-ups, push-ups, whatever we do physically. If it's a dancer, it's the dance, a physical person, somebody's singing. So you see the talent, so you can't script talent, right?
Right.
So you get selected on your own, you know, talent, and if you're good enough, you get selected. So what they look for are overall personalities, you know, different personalities to make a show. So and then once you're on the show, you don't know what to expect, you know. Like when it comes to the task and all, we
So that
literally
is
go
also
and
like-
of course. So and then it shows, right? Like when you see the episodes, you know, all the tasks that we do, and then the emotions flying, and then during the journey we have like strong bondings, you know, strong friendships. There are fights, this, that. So it's all very natural. It just keeps happening as it goes. So there's nothing that you can really script in it. But there are a few things which might make the public feel that it's scripted. It's like, so after each task and all, the production team, they tell us, you know, whatever emotions are there in you, you express it in front of the cameras. That's why they have the VDs, which is the one-on-ones in front of the cameras. And then like there's the contestants get to do the voting and stuff like that. And then you have the gang leaders also who have their influence. So there's nothing that you can script, essentially, you know. You just work hard, and if you're lucky enough, you know, get selected.
Get
So
selected.
there's Mehnat, Lagan, there is Kismat, and there's Bhagwan. These four things. If you're lucky enough, you'll get to witness, you know, the journey. So
Yeah.
anything in life, I think.
So the voting and other thing that happens, that also people feel it's scripted, like where exactly the
Yeah.
vote out and everything happens. So it is also very natural, you were saying.
Yeah, it's like your relationship with the other contestants. So, you know, if you win a task, you end up surviving automatically, and if you don't, then you're subject to a vote out. So, you know, there's another dynamic there of survival.
Yeah.
So people are always trying to vote out their toughest competition, and
Correct.
वो personal bonding के basis पे भी होता है. So it's like anything, you know. It's
And I feel it's like how we are living in the world. With whom we feel connected, we feel
True.
connected. With
True.
whom we
It's the
don't,
vibe.
we try to, you know, make some distance. So it is happening in the show. That's why I feel like it's called reality show. Yes, some shows are scripted. I heard about them, but me being a Roadies fan, I don't know for what. Because of, I think I love most about the show is when the audition happens. The stories that they put out and they talk about the problems that they went through, the traumas that I personally became so inspired, you know, after hearing all the stories. I felt so inspired by the show. So I don't know what is the backstory. That's why I thought of asking you, is it really what people say it's true or fake? Because I know for a fact people go through a lot. There are so many people like Steve Thackeray, I remember his story. I've seen his episode again and again. The journey that coming from a low middle class and doing something, it is inspiring. So that's
yeah, even I spent some quality time with him in Calcutta. So Roadies Revolution का जो हो रहा था audition, so we were in the same room, put up in the same room in the hotel. So even he comes from a very humble background. So it's like anything in life, you know. If you work hard enough, somewhere or the other, वो कहते हैं ना, law of attraction, the universe, it works in a mysterious way to, you know, manifest. तो वही होता है. So very unique stories, you know, like now even like currently when I went in Pune, so I was standing in line. मैं ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं since I was a roadie मैं, you know, production वाले जानते हैं तो मैं चले जाऊँगा. No, I went there actually because I wanted to be a part of the journey again. And I didn't know that they don't take the contestants, you know, that have already participated. But nonetheless, I was like, मुझे वो फिर से वो journey, that grind, I want to again go stand in line. And like I stood there like raat tak and met so many other people, you know, while I was standing in line who wanted to become roadies. उनके stories सुन रहा था, and it was like वो एक feel होती है ना when you start connecting, and it's just a beautiful feeling. So like I said, you know, if you have the willpower in you, I think you can, you know, it takes you places. So it's all about that, you know, having that mindset. कि नहीं मुझे ये करना है, so you know I'm willing to put in the hard work, willing to put myself out there, because nothing in life is, I think, earned without putting in the hard work.
Correct.
And आप जब तक आप अपने मतलब if you haven't seen the tough times, you won't know like the good times, you won't really value them. So I think it's very important every individual goes
good
through
times
that.
तुम्हारे लिए natural है,
Like,
तुम्हें लगता है कि it's normal, but if you
True.
don't see the value,
grind,
yeah.
the like, unless you're poor, you don't know the luxuries you have when you are rich.
Correct.
Unless you've not like traveled, say, in a general compartment of a train, you won't know the luxury of flying in first class. So I think हर इंसान को वो दोनों चीज को experience करना is very important, you know, to become like have a holistic approach towards life. तब भी आप दूसरों को भी इज्जत कर सकते हो, शायद पैसा हो या ना हो. What a person represents, that I think at the end of the day.
So that I feel towards stories, what I felt connected the stories. तो लोगों की जो stories होती थी वो बताते थे. So what you said very true. My perspective when it comes to about being poor or rich, I feel everybody goes through something. तुम पोर हो तो तुम्हारे लिए फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रगल्स होता है, अगर तुम रिच हो तो तुम्हारे इमोशनल कंडीशंस कुछ एवरीबडी. आई हैव सीन रिच पीपल, गोल्डन स्पून वाले, उनके लाइफ में भी इतने चीज़ें होती हैं. हमें लगता है कि यार BMW है, ये हो. आई हैव फ्रेंड्स लाइक दैट हु कम फ्रॉम सच ह्यूज बैकग्राउंड, बिकॉज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पे आने के बाद आई मेट पीपल, आई वेंट टू द रूम्स हु मेक क्रोर्स इन अ मंथ, हैव सीन दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल. सो दे ऑल्सो गो थ्रू अ लॉट. It's not that
it's not like the fancy thing like people will see, and sometimes they just hate a person for, but they don't know the actual backstory, the struggles. So yeah,
it is always like how right now some of my friends say me that कि तेरी लाइफ तो सही है. मैं सोचती हूँ कि कहाँ सही है. तुम्हें पता है मैं रात 3 बजे सोती हूँ, तुम्हें पता है मैं कितनी ग्राइंड. So you saw me when I was struggling a lot. I had nothing. Now you saw me 0 से 1. So there is 99 steps to reach 100 or maybe 1000. It's a journey. So you put effort, you see this. Coming back to the discussion we were doing about roadies, how the journey and the show has impacted your life?
Well, it has had a big impact. Like, you know, after doing the show, you know, people start recognizing you, and I received a lot of love and respect for like my performance and all of that. But every person I met was always like, you know, you should have stayed on the show for longer and this and that. But I know like during my journey also, I had like an epiphany. Just before my vote out as well. Some way or the other, I just knew that, you know, I have another part to, you know, walk on, and then my vote out happened, and even it's been 5 years now, so that was the sole reason I went back, because I had this thing that okay, you know what, since ye journey thoda sa adhura reh gaya, especially for my fans, and so I'll go and give it another shot. I went there, I met with those people. They were like, of course, like since you've already done it, we don't take, you know, people back. But then I told them, if you ever have a season, you call the ex-contestants, you know, they're like, yeah, definitely we'll call you. And then at that point of time, I met so many people, you know, standing in line. I was so inspired by their stories, and I was like, okay, I want to do like a show of my own where I can get like people to participate, and it's going to be totally raw. Like what you see in roadies is going to be 10 times more tough, and you know, it's something that people haven't seen before. So I'm just like giving you like a
nice.
Yeah,
you know,
a heads up.
I want to say all the best for that. You should.
So I think because in life, I think we live for, you know, collecting memories, and like when you're out on an adventure, some of those memories stick for life.
Correct.
Like for me, roadies was one of those journeys. Before that, like during my playing days, I've traveled to so many places across the country playing, basketball and all. So वो सारी चीजें, it all leads up to, when you become famous, then people start recognizing you and remembering you for
Right.
whatever reasons. But the backstory, the years of struggle, hard work, when you are alone and just working out or doing
Yeah.
stuff on your own, I think that is what really makes you.
Makes-
That 99% makes that 1%.
Right. People
So-
only see when you are there. But
True.
it's like a lot that goes, your depression, your struggles, your
True.
pain, it all come out. Okay, now we
Yeah.
see a contestant in roadies जो
Yeah.
उड़ीसा से just but उड़ीसा से मैं वही आपको बोल रही थी अभी थोड़ी देर में, कितने लोग जाते हैं, कितने लोगों को एक्चुअली वो चांस मिलता है.
True.
You got that, and this what I asked exactly is not about fame. It's like internally how much
Internal.
roadies impacted you. That I want to know. वो
Yeah.
show में obviously you went through that grind, वो boat out, वो mental pressure. उससे
Yeah.
पहले you were there for the first time meeting Ranvijay. All the people were
Yeah.
Nyadopia, all of these bigger names,
True, true.
and seeing them and with the confidence showing. Because अगर confidence नहीं है, I have seen people getting rejected because they don't have the confidence to be there. And
True.
उसकी वजह से उनका जो चांस अपॉर्चुनिटी चला जाता है.
True,
हमारे कोचिंग में बोलते हैं when you get the opportunity, हमारे mentors बोलते हैं grab it. So
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हारी कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी होती है वो चलिए. That's why I asked you, in between all of this mental pressure, in between all of
Yeah.
these things, when you came back from roadies, how
Yeah.
much as a person you have changed and what impacted exactly internally?
Well, I would say as a person, I'm still the same. It's just that I gained a lot of popularity, a lot of love. So now, ऐसा है कि now I have this motivation to like drive me further to do more. There was a phase even after the journey during when COVID and all was happening, and I was also overseas. I had got another job. I did that, and during all that process, I was also going through a lot of like mentally, I was being challenged a lot, and everybody, I guess, in today's era,
Yeah.
you go through phases of, you could call it depression or
Anything,
struggles.
yeah.
So, it is an ongoing process, and how you deal with it, and as long as you have the end goal, like the aim in mind, like if you have like a roadmap planned, you can get there. So for me, even now, like after coming back from Pune, I'm like, I have that added motivation, now I want to do something for these people as well. And India has so much of talent, so I just want to create a space where people can just be themselves and showcase their talents and follow their heart.
Yeah. Before COVID, after COVID also, you see, before COVID, the opportunities, I feel it was little lesser. Right
True.
now, I come from coaching industry, so I know there are people who come from Vastu space, come from fitness space, come
Yeah.
from education space, come from anywhere.
Yeah.
Tailoring, how to make something, anything you have
Yeah.
the passion, you can make money around that.
True. If you market it properly on social media,
डिजिटल वर्ल्ड भी ऐसा है कि आई फील व्हेन I had a discussion with my father because my brother wanted to be a cricketer. My father was like कि 10th के बाद पढ़ाई छोड़ के cricket. For me, because I broke all the stereotype. I was the first generation entrepreneur. I am the person जिसके पापा 10-15 हज़ार कमा रहे थे, पर मैंने सब तोड़ ताड़ के मेरे को जो करना था मैंने किया है. मेरे को तो बहुत सारी चीज़ अलाउड नहीं था. बट राइट नाउ माई पेरेंट्स आर वेरी प्राउड. ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने कभी मना किया था. दे नेवर अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई वाज डूइंग बिकॉज उन्होंने वो लाइफ देखा ही नहीं है. तो व्हेन दे सॉ मी फ्लाइंग, स्टेइंग इन 5-star, मीटिंग पीपल लाइक इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम प्लेयर्स, आई गॉट एन बिकॉज वेयर वी वर स्टेइंग दे वर जस्ट स्टेइंग देयर, इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम प्लेयर्स. सो इतने डिस्टेंस में विराट कोहली को देखना, इट वॉज लाइक कि वो अचीवमेंट कम्स. वी डिडंट नो, वी वेंट फॉर आवर शो इवेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. So for me, I feel कि work that much hard, everything universe gives you automatically. 2 साल तक तो मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि मैं बनी ही नहीं हूँ. क्यों कर रही हूँ मैं बिजनेस जो मेरे से हो ही नहीं रहा है. 5,000 रुपया अकाउंट में आ नहीं रहा है, रेंट पे नहीं हो रहा है. There was time when
those are the struggles, yeah.
So then I'm like छोड़ देना चाहिए. पढ़ाई में तो अच्छी हूँ इसमें, और मेरे को कभी इंटरेस्ट था. पढ़ाई में कर रही थी पापा के लिए कि उनको लगना चाहिए
कि बेटी कुछ कर रही है.
And I was doing really good. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बुरी थी, but I was very good from my childhood in curricular activities like acting, like a lot of things. I got modeling offer because my parents didn't want, so I didn't go. So all of them, but I was not in. I was interested in what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
I am a stage person. I love
Yeah.
mic. I love talking.
Yeah.
I love meeting people. I am a
Interacting.
people person. I love stage. So
Yeah.
that I was very passionate. And podcasting I discovered after so long. And then जब मेरे को लग रहा था कि कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, and I kept doing. 2 साल is not a small time. 2 महीना लोगों के content नहीं चलता है तो लोग बोलते हैं कि इतने content डाल दिया, views नहीं आ रहे. मैं 2 साल पैसा ही नहीं था मेरे पास. And when you say your parents, उनके हिसाब से they were happy क्योंकि I
Yeah.
was making 5-6 हज़ार नहीं आ रहा था, पर साइड से कहीं ना कहीं मैं 20-30 हज़ार कमा रही थी. पापा
Yeah.
खुश थे कि हाँ सही है. पर मेरे लिए कि बिजनेस का मतलब ये है ही नहीं ना तुम खुश हो. मेरे लिए अल्टीमेट थिंग इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी
It's not worth it, yeah.
पॉडकास्टिंग ऐसा है मेरे लिए, मैं अगर एक पॉडकास्ट कर ली मैं 1 महीना खुश रह
Yeah.
सकती हूँ. मेरे लिए
True.
ये है, आई लव पीपल, आई एम टॉकिंग
Yeah.
टू यू, इट गिव्स मी द हैप्पीनेस.
Happiness.
या होल माय वीक आई थिंक व्हाट हैव, एंड मैं खुद
Yeah, I
भी
can totally relate, yeah.
या मैं इतनी ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ अपनी पॉडकास्ट. कल मेरा पॉडकास्ट का एक ट्रेलर आया, मैं इसको रात 1 बजे तक इतनी बार देखी हूँ बिकॉज दैट मेक्स मी
Yeah,
हैप्पी,
of
दैट मेक्स
course.
माय हार्ट स्माइल.
Yeah.
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट आई फील कि अभी हम ऐसे जनरेशन में हैं, अगर अभी कंप्लेन करने लग जाएं कि नहीं हो रहा है, आई फील कि इट्स फुल
True.
बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू नो इफ यू
Yeah.
learn
You
a
just
little
take
bit.
out the time and make those small
Yeah.
baby steps, you know.
Yeah.
Like like you've been doing it for so long now, like so it's big, like it's a time game as well. The more time you put into it, it slowly things grow. It's
Experiences.
like a tree, you know, it takes time to grow.
करेक्ट.
So
फर्स्ट एपिसोड
करते
में तुम्हें
करते
पता ही
वो
नहीं
हो
होता है
जाता
क्या
है.
बात करोगे, फिर अभी तुम्हें और जनरली इट कम्स विद द
Yeah,
फ्लो.
then you get comfortable
या
and-
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट, बिकॉज हम लोगों ने इतने सारी चीज़ें रोडीज के बारे में स्पेसिफिकली बात की है. फॉर द ऑडियंस आई वांट टू आस्क यू, जो लोग, मैं तो खुद जाना चाहती हूँ रोडीज में, मैं और किसी की क्या बताऊँ. मैं आई एम लाइक मैं भी करना चाहती हूँ.
हाँ जी.
सो द थिंग इज आई वांट टू आस्क इट फॉर द ऑडियंस बिकॉज यू हैव सीन दैट जर्नी. प्रोसेस नॉर्मली होता क्या है, हाउ यू गेट इनटू द ऑडिशन जोन, देन तो ऑब्वियसली उसके बाद जो होता है.
So process is very simple. You just have to find out where they're having the auditions conducted, the
Correct.
venue.
अब तो
Reach
online
there
ही-
as early as possible. उसके बाद आपको एक फॉर्म मिलता है.
वहीं
So,
पे?
हाँ वहीं पे they give you a form. So then you fill out the form. There are like a lot of questions in the form, and it's very like it's best to be totally honest about the form. क्योंकि आप अगर कोई कुछ यहाँ वहाँ की बातें कुछ चुतिया चीज लिख लो तो आपको उसी को they will drag you down and then they will take your class. So
Correct.
be true to who you are. And then GD1 जो होता है group discussion 1, they take batches of 20-30 people at a time and you get hardly 1 to 2 minutes to perform. So you just put your best foot forward and आप में जो भी unique talent है आप वो दिखाओ, बातें करो, show your overall personality however you can. So there's no fixed formula. It is based on your personality. It shows, like if you have worked hard enough, it shows. And there is a difference between being deserving and being desperate, you know. So they don't take people who are just desperate to become a roadie. हाँ मुझे रोडी बनना है तो मुझे ले लो.
लो.
ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपको मेहनत भी करनी होती है. You have to be able to
Yeah.
showcase that, and if they feel okay, you are a good fit for the show, they will select you.
Yeah. So this is like pretty
So it
much.
is, yeah. That's how I did it. You know, I just went there, and one after the other. Then
Yeah, it
just-
happens. So
yeah.
right, exactly. That's what I was saying. Starting का क्या phase? So you become the best at what you do, your unique
Yeah,
ability,
yeah.
and वो confidence आ जाए तो तब
True.
हो सकता है. And coming back to, I have seen your audition. You were saying your father is real hero for you.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
how, from where that comes from, and also you, I think, said your father represented
India, yes.
Yeah, in
Yes.
Olympics.
Both my
or-
parents were actually sports people.
Oh.
Both were basketball players. That's how they met.
Oh,
They
you
fell in
went on-
love, and that's how my sister and I were born. So my whole family is into sports.
Oh, nice.
So my father, he was playing for Team Bihar at the moment. He was playing for Tatas actually when he was playing for India. So he had come to Odisha to play a nationals tournament. My mother, she was playing for Odisha team. तो उनकी मुलाकात वहाँ पे हुई, and that's how their love story started. And after that, they decided to get married, and then my sister was born, and then I was born. So even my sister is a brilliant sports person. Like she was a
You
swimmer.
all are into sports.
Yeah, so I started off with swimming, so I did district level swimming, national level swimming, then basketball, and then growing up in school playing football.
You did all of this in Odisha?
So yeah, in Cuttack. So I born and brought up. So I grew up playing a lot of sports, you know. So whatever I found challenging, look. And yeah, my father has been my inspiration. Like he's coached for more than 30 years of his life as well in Sai. So like coming from a sports background, you naturally, take to that. And yeah, in Odisha, now it's so good to see the sports ecosystem has really changed.
Changed.
From when हम लोग खेलते थे back like as children. The whole system used to be like,
It's getting
growing
better.
up, it was a very tough thing, you know, having to compete against kids who are like playing overage, you know, 5, 6, 7 years elder to you. It's very unfair. And then you go to play national somewhere, no tickets booked up, you know, you're in a general compartment sitting next to the toilet, stuff like that. So, but all those things also kind of makes you tough, you know. So in life, कुछ भी होता है, you are not really, you know, कोई भी situation आता है, you know, 10 रुपए भी है pocket में, चलो I can travel across the country, कोई tension नहीं है, you know. So it kind of toughens you up, and I think long term, it kind of आपका perspective about life also, you know, you see both sides, like I was telling you. So yeah,
You also
sports really
played-
helps you become mentally tough.
You
and,
also
yeah.
played in national level,
National
right?
level, yeah. And
For
in university, we
basketball.
were, gold medalist and all that. So I
how
played
was
for-
that experience?
It was great. Like, I think you feel like few experiences make you truly alive. Like, for me, it is that rush when you're playing sports or like winning and, travel adventure, like when you're in nature, you know, doing like hikes and stuff, like anything to do with adventure and anything that challenges you. I think, you know, after kind of mastering that or reaching a certain level, you get that,
Yeah.
you know, एक internal happiness एक होता है. Okay, you know what, I was
I
able
love-
to
yeah.
do this. I think that is what life is all about.
So when did you start actually playing badminton and other things?
Like when I was a small child only. So my mom, so swimming was my first sport. So I was like a few months old when my mom, she put me in the swimming pool. I started learning how to swim. By the age of, I think I was 2 or 3 years old, I was like swimming across here, there, full on. And then bada hote gaya, then I started playing basketball. And then by the time I was in school, you know, I was like playing basketball, football, doing swimming, you know. So I was like a very hyperactive kid. Gudi harika udaya, you know, flying kites,
Yeah.
climbing trees and all, full desi, you know, stuff. I was like, so I had a very beautiful childhood, you know, like I feel blessed, touch wood, because of that. And yeah, it's just
Like
yeah,
right
from
now also you
childhood.
are so much into fitness and
Yeah,
like
I work out.
what is that love for fitness? How, if you want to share with everybody, like how fitness, you know, why it is important, everybody is talking about, because
Yeah.
obviously health is wealth, we talk about
True,
it.
true.
So you being a fitness person,
Yeah.
what do you want to share all of us with all of us?
Well, I say like fitness should be a part of everybody's daily routine, you
Yeah.
know, because no matter what you do in life, आप business कर रहे हो या नौकरी कर रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, unless you are fit, you know, I think health is wealth जो कहता है ना, it's an old saying, old
Yeah.
is gold. No matter how much money you earn or whatever, what a person really earns is if that person is happy, and at the end of the day, the body and mind are connected. So if you have a healthy body, you have a healthy mind, and it's vice versa, you know. So it's very important to keep fit. That way you can enjoy life longer, you can collect more experiences and stuff like that. And it's very important for your mental well-being as well. It helps you work harder, it helps you being more focused.
Okay.
It just gives you that drive, that edge, you know, to
all
beat your
connected.
competition as well. Yeah, so it's just, it gives you a lot of happiness, you know. You have all your good hormones flowing when you're doing like an intense workout. I don't think there's any better feeling than that, you know, when you're like in the zone and all pumped up, and then that motivates you to eat healthier,
Yeah.
like take up healthier habits. I know we all go through phases where, you know, we kind of get distracted here and there, but it keeps you grounded, you know. It keeps you, make sure that your body and mind are healthy, because in today's era, we live with, you know, technology all around us, so much of Maya
Junk food,
everywhere,
yeah.
junk food. So there's so many distractions. So this really helps you, you know, being on the right path,
Yeah.
maintaining that balance. I always tell people, you know, like a lot of my clients would tell we have a difficulty in, you know, time nahi hota hai, you know,
Yeah.
some people, they're doing night shifts and stuff like that. And our whole schedule is, but at the end of the day, it's a mindset. You know, I feel like putting in half an hour to 45 minutes of your time, you can do it. It's just that you have to make that choice,
Yeah.
make that healthy choice. You know,
Correct.
this is something I have to give, because that half an hour, 45 minutes that you put into a workout, you know, that is going to basically extend your whole life.
Correct.
by many years down the line. So you're gaining time, and time is the most valuable thing. And at the end of the day, it also enhances your mood. So
Right.
you know, there's just benefits that you have to get from it. So it's that willpower, that motivation. So
I asked you this because I was into yoga before this digital
That is
thing.
brilliant, yeah.
When I am not into fitness niche or helping people, I know
Yeah.
for a fact I take care of my health. I think 2 or 3 days back, constantly I started feeling uneasy and all that because I
Yeah.
was working till late night. And
True.
मेरे body जितना handle कर सकता था, it happened. But
Yeah.
then it started reflecting. And for me, I cannot work if I'm not healthy.
true.
It all comes down to that.
Yeah.
एंड इवेंट्स एंड ऑल मैंने किया है. मेरे को पता है कि मैं पीपल से मी वर लाइक फुल ऑन एनर्जी बिकॉज
Yeah.
ऑफ आई कीप डूइंग माई हेल्थ थिंग
True.
एंड इवन इफ आई ईट अनहेल्दी कभी कभी हेल्दी थिंग्स आई ईट अ लॉट. सो आई एम वेरी मैं ऑयली फूड मैं मोस्टली आई टेल अबाउट फ्राइड मैं कितने महीनों से नहीं खाई हूँ. ऑटोमेटिकली जस्ट माई बॉडी इज नॉट टेकिंग बिकॉज आई एम
Yeah.
सो मच इन टू हेल्दी थिंग्स. इट इज नॉट ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे को बाद में
Yeah.
पता चला कि वाई इज इट नॉट हैपनिंग. सो मेरी गट ऑटोमेटिकली रिजेक्ट कर रहा है. नहीं
True.
जाएगा ये
Yeah.
अंदर. सो जो
That
फिल्टर आउट
happens.
ऑटोमेटिकली.
Yeah. The body is very smart. No, it knows like.
तुमने इतना
put it
कचरा
into a
डाल दिया
pattern
तो वो
तो-
कचरा के लिए रेडी हो जाता है. बट तुम
हाँ.
हेल्दी फूड डालना स्टार्ट कर दो.
It gets accustomed to that.
एंड तुम्हें अच्छी चीज ये होती है कि मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ जो इतने सालों के बाद 2-3
Hmm.
साल व्हेन आई वाज इनटू फूड एंड एवरीथिंग आई हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ कि मैं कुछ खा ही नहीं पाई. जो मैं बाहर से कुछ भी खाती थी वो इतू सा भी नहीं खा पाती. तो मैं
Hmm.
जब खुद रियलाइज की माई बॉडी इज नॉट टेकिंग एनीथिंग अनहेल्दी.
हाँ.
Obviously, I'm a fan of Chinese food. I eat
Yeah,
that, but
yeah.
it's like quite often so that you eat healthy. So that's why I asked कि लोगों को realize नहीं होता है even if you work so hard.
True.
अगर
Mind बहुत powerful चीज़ है ना. तो आप अगर you know it reads like it controls each and every organ, each and every part of your body. So आप
Right.
अगर वो mindset में हो कि no, I want to stay away from junk food, I want to eat right, want to work out.
Yeah.
So it automatically starts, you know, your body will also start rejecting it and embracing, you know, the new routine. So
it's all here. I also feel that's all here.
So I keep telling like my clients and people like go like start like just challenge yourself. Do like a 21-day challenge where you like promise to eat like 4 to 5 meals a day, work out 45 minutes at least in a day. You know, do some strength training or yoga or anything, or go play sports. That's the best thing. Just take those baby steps, and then you'll see automatically your life starts changing, and then your body also starts changing, and then
True.
you know, I'm not like there's no hard and fast कि हाँ आपको करना है, so you let go of everything you've been doing. नहीं वैसा नहीं. Just take baby
I
steps,
also
and
don't
then
believe in that.
yeah, you have to enjoy life. So do what makes you happy, but also make healthy choices, you know,
Correct.
along the way.
So that you will not go through that tough phase which
True.
comes after all. knee pain ये वो
Yeah,
aging होता है
yeah.
वो सब चीजें होता है. So at least
Prevention
you
is better than cure.
better than always.
हाँ.
I keep telling my mom was not well, so doctor said about physiotherapy. I was in front of the doctor, I was telling ये डाइट तो मैंने पहले ही दे चुका. 2 साल से मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये कर लो. तो डॉक्टर इज सेइंग कि आपके बेटे को तो सब पता है आप यहाँ पे क्यों आए हो.
नहीं,
फिजियोथेरेपी
अपने लोग जो है ना वो कम सुनते हैं. आप दूसरे को समझाओ वो जल्दी सुन लेते हैं. बट वही है. but-
right now they started listening because mom is like कि कितना पैसा खर्च हो गया अभी मेरा तबीयत इतना खराब सब getting bothered. So she understood now. But जब से मैं इतने सालों से बोल रहा हूँ पापा गण उनको nobody listens because after certain point of time वो इतने प्रॉब्लम करता है. and तुम्हारे लिए तुम तो पेन में रहते ही रहते हो. everybody goes through that and वो मनी की बात तो छोड़ ही देते हैं. वो तो वैसे भी खर्च होता ही होता है. so it's better कि हेल्थ पे डालो अनहेल्दी मत बनो so
True.
that you will be happy.
So you
And
save on your medical bills, you save time, stress, most importantly.
your
Because once
happiness.
Yeah, if you
Spending
get
time with you.
bedridden, what is the use? Even if you have crores in your bank balance, if you're bedridden,
No
कोई
point
फायदा
of
ही नहीं है
having
ना.
that.
तो
Correct.
वही है.
And also, what do you want to say to the people who always say कि मैं कल से जिम जाऊंगा, कल से वर्कआउट करूंगा and never do
अरे
that?
tomorrow never dies. So जो वो पुरानी कहावत है ना, जो कल करो तो आज, जो आज करो तो अब. तो बस anything in life. So fitness का भी journey start करना है. So just put a timeline. अच्छा ठीक है. Tomorrow morning I'm starting and stick to tomorrow. Otherwise do it the very same day. Like just make a schedule. Just baby steps. सुबह उठना है. 15-20 मिनट अगर योगा भी कर लिए या घर पे ही कुछ वर्कआउट कर लिया. आई थिंक दैट इज आल्सो अ ब्रिलियंट स्टार्ट फॉर
I feel
पीपल हु आर
also कि
बिगिनिंग.
जो तुम्हें पसंद है तुम वो भी कर सकते हो. डांस, योगा,
डांस करो, एनीथिंग, एनी फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, एनीथिंग दैट मेक्स यू
Movement is
स्वेट अ
the-
लिटिल बिट. and resistance training is brilliant.
Yeah.
Strength training, playing any sport,
Right.
and there's a proper way to do it. Like people usually, well, you know, if they are not guided properly, they don't know. But there are three like basically golden rules. Like you do a proper warm up before doing any exercise. Like do proper stretching, breathing, and then once your body is warmed up, you can like go for a jog or a run, and then do some basic free hand exercises or strength training, and then the third most, so that's the workout. So first a warm up, workout, and third most important is cool down.
Cool down.
So where you again stretch, do breathing, and end it with some meditation.
Right.
So that's how I do it, and
Same.
that is I
Yeah.
think the best. Like once you're done, like at the end of the day, you like after your workout and your stretching and everything, you feel like renewed. You know,
So
new
also I
energy.
feel when you were talking about that morning में अगर मैंने exercise कर लिया and my day started with the exercise and
Day feels so much
Yeah.
longer and so much more energetic, right?
स्टार्टिंग से ही लगता है प्रोडक्टिव लग जाता है एंड
Yeah.
इट गोज विद दैट एनर्जी और
True.
तुम सुबह उठो कुछ ना करो खाना वाना खा के काम पे बैठ जाओ वो दिन ही
True.
इतना
दिन ही
आलसी
है,
दिन
yeah.
होता है
और दिन उड़ जाता है पता भी नहीं
पता भी
चलता
नहीं
but
चलता।
days you wake up early and just do your exercise and all, you'll see by night, like by 9-10 o'clock you're already feeling sleepy and you're ready to, you know.
अगर मैं तो so many of my clients when I was doing it they were like sleeping late like at least 12:30 I was
Yeah.
telling them तुम 7 बजे भी उठो तब भी exercise करो कुछ ना
True.
कुछ so that your morning starts very powerful
Very, yeah.
if you cannot you know experience the early morning then it's
Yeah.
fine also to do whenever you can but at
True.
least do it so that it will channelize
you.
yeah,
Energize
channelize your energy and it goes in a good direction and talking about it I want to ask you like because you said in roadies not about roadies right now also you said ki your father is your really right I'm coming down to
Yeah.
your father what are the lessons if I ask you specifically if you have to say 1 to 3 what you have learned and you want to share with all of us like something that really impacted you as a person
Well, I think, you know, like you have to really work hard in life. That is the one thing. Don't focus on the goal. Just focus on, you know, the journey. Like I said, you know, life is not about the destination, but the journey. Treat all people with respect, no matter where they come from, you know. And, you know, my upbringing has been such that, you know, both my mom and dad, they have been through so many struggles in their life and they have given me a childhood which I feel really blessed ki I've seen both sides, you know, growing up, you know, being in a middle class family. Even I went through a phase as an entrepreneur where I had a lot of money. Then there's been phases when I've been totally broke. So
you want to talk about it I'd
yeah,
love to hear
yeah, like so when you go through all those struggles, ups and downs and all, I think at the end of the day, आपकी जो परवरिश है, your the core values you're brought up with since like when you are a child, you know, even small things like saying thank you to a person, you know, that
Gratitude.
shows a lot of character.
yeah
Treating people no matter वो कौन से background से, and when it comes to personal goals, you know, sometimes we are too hard on ourselves, you know, we set timelines and stuff like that, but I always feel kabhi in life circumstances won't be in your favor, you know, there is like life is not fair, that is the harsh reality, but you have to make most of whatever cards you're dealt with. So if you know, I think every person goes through struggles, so you know, you always have to keep finding the motivation and willpower to achieve whatever short-term goals you have in front and take life as it comes to you, and just keep that energy, surround yourself with people who you know are really who want to see you succeed, and you know, keep those people really close, because वैसे people भी बहुत कम मिलेंगे आपको life में who really want to see you succeed.
yeah
And so be very wary of where you spend your time.
Correct.
And वो सब life आपको सिखाता है, you know, that's the part of becoming an adult. And yeah, just have that willpower in you, because at the end of the day आप आए अकेले हो, जाना भी अकेला है, so it's whatever you leave behind. So try to do good for other people, because at the end of the day लोग उसी के लिए आपको remember करते हैं. Like my father, even my mother, like he has made so many people, you know, into you know, professionals today. Like through sports they've been able to get like jobs and stuff like that. So both लोगों के families, he's been able to support them, and he's always had that mindset ki हाँ, and he's a very patient human being. And my mom is
that
also
shows in you
so,
also
and my mom is like also she is like been so patient, and she's worked so hard her whole life. So, and even she's been through so many struggles. So, it just teaches you to be humble no matter what you do in life.
Yeah, परवरिश matters, no doubt
Yeah.
in that. And even if you जैसे बोलते हैं कि गलतियां हो भी जाती है तुम्हारी परवरिश की वजह से तुम वापस भी आ जाते हो
True,
because it
true.
reminds you
Yeah.
from where you came from, what
What
you
is
have
right, what
learned.
is wrong. Yeah.
What makes you a different person if you see yourself?
I think I'm like anybody else, but I've just been blessed.
What's
And
your unique-
well, people always tell me, like even after the show, they're like, you are a very humble person.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm the same, like before, after, whether you have fame or not, money or not, yeah, it does change people to a certain degree. But again, like I said, आपकी परवरिश अगर वैसे हो, you just see people for who they are, not for what they have. So at the end of the day, I think that that matters more, who a person is on the inside, and the vibrations. I think you can just feel every person has a different vibration, so.
No, I was going to ask that
Yeah.
also कि after the fame, after the roadies, after everything, you were so grounded. What keeps you be like this? और क्या चेंज जैसे कि चेंजेस तो बहुत हुआ है ऑब्वियसली ऐसे
Yeah.
नहीं कि एक जर्नी में आप जाते हो कुछ ना कुछ तो चेंजेस
True.
होता है एंड यू गेट द फेम सडनली आउट ऑफ
Yeah.
नोवेयर पीपल
Honestly, I feel I haven't done enough in my life. Even till this date, I feel like there's so much more to do.
Yeah.
And I want to do so much more, not just for myself and my family, but for other
if you
people
feel
also.
you are arrived then you cannot do it. It's a
Yeah, that's
different-
true. You just have to keep hustling. And I find pleasure when, like you said, with your podcast and all, you love this whole process
Yeah.
of talking to people, getting to know them, getting inspired and all. So even with me, like I get inspired by meeting people on the streets, meeting, top shot people. It can come from anywhere, So many people
Right.
have so many stories. So it gives me also happiness to, talk to people, getting to learn from them.
Right.
And at the end of the day, try to give back. So even till now, like I'm struggling in my career, but I have this drive in me, okay, no matter what, I have to do this, have to do that. And I'm not in a rush, like sometimes when you are like in your teenage time, you look back and you're like, oh shit, I wish I was in Europe or in USA, jahan pe, you have so much opportunities for this and that. And then you go into a cycle of regret. And then you learn from that cycle as well. When you come out of it, you're like, okay, no, you know what? जितना भी मिला है, like gratitude. You always have to give gratitude because आप इंडिया का एक ट्रिप लगा लो ना, you go to any slum area, wherever, like you actually see people who are actually struggling in life, then you feel so much more fortunate for what your parents have given you. कि हाँ, you have meals on your table, you're able to breathe, you're able to, see people who don't even have eyes or legs to walk on. So that way, वो gratitude देना is also very important. So
No, I feel
Yeah.
the same way what you have said.
Yeah.
कि हमें लगता है हमारी प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा है
Yeah.
बट when you meet why I said I'm a people person when I see the journey मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे लाइफ बहुत yes सबके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम होता है एक टाइम तक हमें लगता है हमारे लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है when
True.
you see people and you hear their story their
Stories, it is
journey
just crazy.
मुझे लगता है कि यार मैं तो बहुत blessed
बहुत
हूँ
blessed हो यार.
एंड वो लोग आके दुनिया में इंस्पायर करते हैं लोगों को एंड तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं तो बहुत अच्छी जगह पे हूँ सो कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट समथिंग दैट आई डोंट हैव आई फील इट्स सिली बिकॉज सब मैंने लोगों को ऐसे ऐसे देखा है लाइक टफ मैरिज going through all of these things, going through abuse, going through all of these things and coming out stronger and inspiring the world.
True,
It's not a
true.
small thing.
Yeah, it
And
takes a lot of guts, lot
it
of
takes
courage.
a lot of, and talking about the mental trauma, people went through a lot of things. And when I was seeing my journey, I was like a 19-year-old, I was feeling कि मेरे साथ इतना क्यों हो रहा है. Then when I
Yeah.
started meeting people, why I said, when I talk to them, I listen to them and listen
Their
to their
struggles,
story
then
and
you know.
the transformation that they went through, that inspires much more.
Yeah, I think that those tough times only make you,
Who
tough
you are,
and who you are. So those are
So
those
either
valuable
तुम
life
give up कर
lessons.
देते हो नहीं तो
हाँ.
तुम उड़ जाते हो. So there are two choice. तो
True.
चॉइस तुम्हारी होती है. इट इज ऑलवेज लाइक कि लोग करते हैं गिव अप कि नहीं होगा कुछ मेरे से
Yeah.
लाइफ बर्बाद. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो उससे उभर के आते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाट व्हेन यू सेड आई फेल्ट सो कनेक्टेड
Yeah.
कि लोग कहाँ से कितने प्रॉब्लम से निकल के आते हैं एंड दे साइन ब्राइटर एंड दे डू.
Yeah.
So the Chapak movie on the lady. See, went through acid attack. It's like कितने कहानियाँ होता है, and you see, I got very inspired from a movie, and I keep watching this movie so many times.
Yeah.
And कल भी मैं देख रही थी गुंजन सक्सेना. So it's a story of actually Gunjan Saxena, the lady.
Okay.
Have you seen that movie?
No, I will
So
watch
it's a
it.
movie
No.
of a lady known as Gunjan Saxena. It's based on real story.
Okay.
So it inspires me to the extent कि उन्होंने एक जो जहाँ पे थे when she was going through the training, she was the only lady जहाँ पे girls का washroom तक नहीं था.
Okay.
That was the story, and she has then Kargil war में she actually did so many things for India. She saved so many lives, and nobody believed in her. Only her father believed. कि okay, if you want to
Sometimes
fly,
that is enough, you know, you just need one person
Yeah.
to believe in you.
पिंजरा तोड़ के
Or
निकल जाओ.
yourself.
Her father used to say her कि अगर तुम्हें उड़ना है पिंजरा तोड़ के निकल जाओ.
सही बात है.
एंड मेरे लिए भी इट इज़ लाइक माई मदर यूज टू टेल मी तो जिससे शादी करना चाहेगी, जो कैरियर में बनना चाहेगी, आई विल बी देयर नो मैटर व्हाट.
Very fortunate that way, no? कि
वो
if your
ट्रस्ट
parents
जो
support
दिखता
you.
है ना, वो तुम्हारे पास कुछ ना हो पर तुम निकल जाते हो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ट्रस्ट कि किसी ने तुम पे वो ट्रस्ट दिखाया है. एंड व्हेन एवरीबडी सेज कि मेरी मम्मी ने ज़्यादा कुछ पढ़ा नहीं एंड ऑल दैट, बट आई नो हाउ सी मैनेज्ड ऑल आवर फैमिली. शी केप्ट ऑल ऑफ
How
अस
she's
टुगेदर.
educated you also.
Yeah. She kept all of us together. She said कि जो लाइफ मैंने देखा है तू कभी नहीं देखेगी. मेरे पापा obviously financially he was there, he was but he was the strong man, and you know how society is. But my mom was the one softy and all. I became ढाल बोल देना, मैं बन गई
माँ
उसके.
तो बनाती है, घर बनाती है at the
Yeah,
end of the
see,
day.
I
They
used to
absorb everything and then
Correct.
keep everything together.
सी इज लाइक कि तू जो तो वही आप जैसे अपने पेरेंट्स की बात कर रहे हो, वो कहीं से थोड़ा सा बिलीव मिलता है तो तुम्हें लगता है. मैं जब कैरियर की बात कर रही हूँ, व्हेन आई फेल्ट कि नथिंग इज हैपनिंग,
Yeah.
and it just happened because someone came to my life as my mentor. I feel is just an angel, so everything got changed. So वो जब universe जब भेजना होता है, when student is ready, master appears. So it
That is
always
true.
happens.
That is absolutely true.
Be it your parents, be it your mentor, whoever it is, it always happens. Talking about you, and I obviously, as I said, I saw you in Roadies. After that, I saw you recently on social media. Now we are having the conversation because I really wanted to.
Yeah,
you
it's
know,
the universe at work.
Yeah. So I thought we should have this conversation because the कहीं ना कहीं से वो connect है, and we should have a conversation, and the journey goes on. So then I saw you that you are married. I didn't know that you. When did that happen?
It happened like it's been more than 3 years now. So even I have
after
a
Roadies.
son. Yeah, during COVID. So
How is
I
the
met a girl,
marriage
fell in
life
love.
going on?
It's good. It's good.
It's good.
It's good. It has its ups and downs, but yeah, I feel blessed. You know, I have a kid now, and he's growing up. He's like 2.5 years almost. So yeah, it's just a blessing to see him like a part of you, like is, you know,
Yeah.
growing up in front of you.
You being a
There's
father now.
no better feeling, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you being a father, when you were getting inspired
Amazing.
by your father, now you being a
Yeah.
father and doing all of these things.
Yeah.
As a father, how much, like before and earlier, what is the transformation that has happened?
Well, obviously, there's like
And
so
after
much.
marriage also, two things I want to know. After marriage, before marriage, how much?
Like I am very fortunate because my wife, she is like I haven't felt like that transition. Like it's still, I feel like, you know,
Me being myself.
yeah, I'm like still myself. It's just that you know, I find myself spending more time at home and with my child growing up. So you have those, you know, it's very special moments. Also, I feel fortunate. Like I'm able to spend a lot of time at home and doing my own thing. So yeah, it's just a blessing, I think, to have somebody to share your life's journey. I think you know, anybody who's been married would know, you know, like it's at the end of the day, you want to share your life and your story, you know, with that one special person. So I think it's all about that. And every marriage, I think, especially in today's time, you know, everything, there are ups and downs. But at the end of the day, you know, if you are, you know, really, if you, two people love each other, they communicate, and, you know, it's just,
Started. Yeah.
yeah, it's just part of life. And yeah, I just feel blessed, you know, having children is, like a child is such a, like, unique experience. You can't put it in words, you know. It's just like a part of you growing up. So
So it's fun.
yeah, it's a lot of fun. Like waking up in the morning, seeing him playing, just smiling, running around, you know, it's like you can't put it in words, that feeling.
it's a
you know.
blessed feeling.
Yeah.
And coming back to your journey again, talking about sports,
Yeah.
talking about basketball, swimming, all these things that you have experienced, I want to ask you, share a few moments with us that where you have felt कि it's very tough and how you हुआ होगा कभी ना कभी वो situations, like any incident that you want to share with all of us.
Like so many instances, like so in sports, especially in our country, in our state, like in Odisha, you play sports for the love of it. That's how every athlete's approach should be, because especially in team sports, when we were growing up, we played sports because we loved doing it. That just the joy of playing.
Yeah.
So even same with me, I should just love the whole process of playing. And as you grow up, then you start, when you start thinking of playing professionally, then you have your education on one side and then you have sports on the other, and you have to kind of find that mid ground. So for me also, for me, sports was always my top priority. Playing was like my go-to thing. So growing up, especially in Odisha, you don't have a lot of facilities. You don't have there's a lot of corruption in sports here, and very few opportunities, especially if you're going to play professionally. Even career-wise, there are very few opportunities. But if you really love something, I would say just go with your heart and playing competitively. If you can carve out a future for your own, be it if you are content with a government job, so be it. If you want to do something of your own, like what I did was later on I became an entrepreneur, and then I went into fitness, and then roadies happened. So life is a journey, but sports, I think, makes you mentally tough. It helps you like in a lot of qualities, like discipline, how to work with other people and stuff like that. So bachpan mein khelte hue, like I was saying, I played for the love of it, played with people who were much more elder to me growing up. It wasn't fair, but yeah. And then there was a lot of pressure on my shoulders as well. So then university mein I was playing again, like we were gold medalist in university and stuff like that. So I just enjoyed the whole process of playing, So I would go to practice, then I would go to gym by myself. Like it is at the end of the day, it's like I feel it is just you who knows the grind, and you just do it for the love of it.
What was the
And
inspiration at that time when there was
it just
so much?
it just comes from within. It's just you love the process, the whole grind, just going on yourself, going to the gym, doing your weight training.
Because you love
Most
it.
of the work also happens when you're alone. You don't have to showcase it to the world. You're just doing it for the love of it, doing your solo practice, or like when you are. And I am somebody who loves playing multiple sports. It's not just basketball or football, like anything like. So whenever I feel like, going and exercising, be it swimming or playing football with my friends or basketball, I just go and do it for the sake of it, There was a time when I was really, growing up, there comes a point when you get really frustrated because of the whole system in place that we have here. And you go into that loop of thought, what, there is actually no scope in sports. Because coming from an educated background especially, there's that mental fight, especially playing team sports. I feel playing individual sports is, since you are solely responsible for your performance, it is, I would say in India especially, it would be easier to ascend, to go becoming a world-class athlete. So, but I always grew up loving to play, team sports and all. So it's not that I don't regret it. I absolutely have loved my journey, but it's only, there's that one thing that kash apna Odisha mein, that system that is in place, if it, at the end of the day, you need to have honest people in the system to produce those
Correct.
world-class athletes who can आगे जाके नाम रोशन कर सकते हैं.
Opportunities and everything.
Yeah, like recently hockey did so well because of Naveen Patnaik.
Yeah.
He came in and completely transformed the whole ecosystem,
Correct.
the infrastructure, coaching, everything in place. So I'm really happy also for my son who's growing up now, in Odisha, that at least the infrastructure is there.
Yeah.
And
It's
with the
much better.
right coaching and, because at the end of the day, and if you want to produce a world-class athlete, it has to start from that person's childhood till the time he, becomes an adult and is on the world stage. So the journey starts off very early. So I feel like now there are a lot more opportunities than what it was back in the day when I was, growing up.
Right.
So I think,
Things will be much better.
yeah, things are getting better.
Yeah.
Especially private sponsorships and
Yeah.
all of that has come into sports now. And there is so much of talent in our country. Like, it's just, you'd be a fool to think that we can't produce a world-class team of footballers to play in FIFA or basketball team to play, It's just that the system is such that, and it's again a long shot, Things don't change overnight. It takes,
As you said, your parents were already there.
yeah.
उसका कुछ benefit आपको मिला नहीं आगे
Of
जाके?
course, like my father, he coached me when I was a kid, my mother, and then it flew in my genes. I'm an extremely competitive person,
No, I'm talking
Yeah.
about in the work thing when you go into
Professional.
play and other, yeah, professionally.
Yeah, of course. Like
The impact
like-
was there, right?
Of course, it all comes at the end of the day. It's you who's it's
Yeah.
your own personal drive and it's your mindset. I think an athlete, the the most important thing about an athlete, especially if you're playing professionally, it's all about the mindset. So in India, unfortunately, there are a lot of individuals who, like class 10 or 12 ke baad, they quit playing sports, although they might be extremely gifted or really talented. That is because they don't see an opportunity, a professional opportunity, because there's hardly any money.
Right.
And then when you're growing up, you just see that there is like so much of corruption and politics in sports. So a lot of the good athletes actually drop out
What
and
is
then
the
they
situation
get into-
now if you see when you were playing and when
Yeah.
we see it now?
I see like there are a lot more opportunities, like infrastructure is getting better. It's easier to get sponsorship in today's day and age. But the coaching system still needs to improve. And of course, there's a bit of politics, I think, in any
Yeah.
phase, like sphere of work. But again, where there's a will, there's a way. So I keep encouraging people to
Yeah.
play sports.
So my brother is right now into cricket, as I said, sports. So he keeps thinking also,
Yeah.
will I get the opportunity and other things, because we don't come from a powerful space. No, we don't know anybody and everything. I said, if you are talented enough, the way will automatically. Yes, it may be tough. It may be things will come up. That's why I asked you
Yeah.
when you said, but you become the talented one. Right now, social media also
True.
talks a
You
lot
can
for
carve out your own niche also,
Yeah.
So like I've met so many people, professional athletes also, they're like got into the coaching line and stuff like that.
Right,
Through their
right.
social media, they're doing really well. So, at the end of the day, you make your own path.
Correct.
So like cricket has always been like a culture in India. So it's deep rooted in our culture. Like other sports, like be it basketball or football, even hockey. So it will take like a few decades for that narrative to change, because at a point of time, India was doing really good in hockey,
Yeah.
still like right now. So, but again, that culture, people like viewership matters, especially people who get into professional sports. They'd be lying if they tell you that, they do not want the fame or the money, because they put in so much of hard work. Every athlete wants to be famous,
Known,
wants to be
yeah.
known for their art, like sports is
Correct,
an art,
correct.
and they want to be well paid for it. So you find a lot of good athletes, like professionally especially, they go to places where they know they're going to get rewarded more, like be it monetarily or. So in India, that, like I said, that culture is changing. The youngsters are becoming more and more aware about other sports apart from cricket, which is a great thing. Private sponsorships are also like supporting athletes.
Correct.
Government is also becoming a little more proactive because now they know the potential of marketing in
Right,
sports.
right.
So that wasn't there earlier.
Yeah.
So all those things are changing. So for
Besides
good,
also is, as you said about hockey,
yeah,
it was like a
got a
very good change.
huge boost.
And right now also they are supporting other sports. So I feel it will be like
Yeah,
much,
next
much
20,
better.
30 years, I think there's a whole transformation happening.
It will take some time, but I feel
Yeah.
it will be a change.
True.
And I want to ask a personal question. Like, I really liked your name because I didn't understand
Yeah.
what is the meaning. That's the confusion.
Yeah.
Like, why the name is so unique? Who has given this name, and what is the meaning of your name?
So my name is Xerxes. It's a Persian name. Actually, it's a Greek version of a Persian name.
So creative.
And yeah, so my mom, the day she heard it, like she fell in love and she named me, and it means warrior in Persian.
Oh wow.
Yeah, warrior, and the alternate meaning is hero among rulers. So he was a very famous Persian emperor. So yeah, that's where it comes from. You
It
know,
all-
warrior basically. So,
And also, I feel if I see my name, if you see yours,
yeah, you
will
also
see-
have such a unique.
in Odisha, Joshna is a very
Yeah.
common name.
But Jyotsna Rani,
Yeah, it's so for me it was like a purana name de diya hai mere ko, as I was telling you. But then when I got the meaning and when I see my transformation as a person, I felt I became that person slowly. I was very angry when I was a kid, and it all got transformed, so calm, spiritually aligned, all of these things. And the moonlight gives the calm energy, and people around me started feeling that. They felt
Yeah.
that love, they felt that openness, they
Yeah.
felt कि इससे बात कर सकते हैं. All of these things, it's happened because of the transformation that I went through, meeting people
True.
and all of these things. So name, with time,
Yeah.
connection with my name happened.
that does
very-
happen, yeah.
And JRS show and everything JRS, it was like came out of that. Now because
Yeah.
it's my soul name,
Yeah.
and people ask me what is JRS. Oh,
Yeah.
now it's my name because I
True.
fell in love with my name. That's why I kept it like that. Otherwise, I
True.
could have kept something else.
Yeah.
But it just came out of nowhere. Obviously,
Yeah.
I got inspired by Ranveer TRS. But I never thought obviously Ranveer ko I have been seeing when I was in my 10th, but it
Yeah.
never came as idea. But out of nowhere, it just felt like, okay, this is, and
This is
after
yours.
that, everybody felt so connected. होता है ना तुम्हारा कुछ changes होता है जो सबको अच्छा लगता है. It
True.
just, when I thought of this name, my community, friends and everything,
Yeah.
I told them,
Like,
okay,
this is it.
this is something I have been, thinking on. They're like, very good idea. And universe starts working in your favor.
True.
So I got the guests who are like very, very famous on that time. They have impacted thousands of people, like being coaches. And I started with some trainers and coaches, India's leading trainers and coaches. And I'm like, this is how this is happening. And I had
Yeah.
like no following, nothing, and all of these things. But the impact started happening.
Yeah.
Then, as I said, I come from a background where I don't know no contacts, no
Yeah.
money, nothing. And meeting people like Usashi Mishra, jinko my parents were seeing in movies and all that, and
Yeah.
doing interview, and right now it's a personal connection with them. I feel
Yeah.
so connected. Whenever I meet them,
True.
they feel so happy seeing me.
Yeah.
It's not because they were the speaker, because the bond that happened in between the show,
True.
and I also felt so
Yeah, you
connected
feel
with all my speaker. I am talking about last 2 speakers also personally. They're doing their events, shows they're inviting. It's just that
Yeah.
they felt that connect with me, and I felt that connect with them. And anyways, I don't invite anyone that I don't feel connect. For me, if I am interested in your story, then I would love to have you, because if I don't connect, I know nobody who is listening to me is not going to connect, because they
Yeah.
are my people who loves me, and they are your people who loves you. So either they will not connect with me or not with you. So if we are
Yeah.
connected, it
True. It's a full circle.
Yeah, it's a full circle, and it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I feel like I come, okay, the last episode was wow.
Yeah.
This episode will be fine.
Yeah.
It will be good. And it goes double wow. Every episode I keep
Yeah.
talking, it comes out with something that you
Yeah.
don't expect. Some episodes are very calm energy, but I expected some high energy. Some
Yeah.
episodes are itna high energetic. I'm like, I expected some. So you can.
You can't, yeah.
This-
just goes
this
with
is
the flow
very-
and it,
Very unpredictable. How life is, this is also very unpredictable. And meeting people, it is always fun. And talking to you, asking you, like, how you see life. It's a very deeper question, but I want to ask you, in between this journey, being married, having kids, having fame, having money,
Yeah.
seeing all of this. You come from a background mix of sports, it's energy, come from, being in family, coming from fame. How you see life?
I think life is a spiritual journey at the end
Wow.
of the day. Like all your emotions, everything that you achieve in life, everything you lose in life. I think it is like, it's a spiritual journey at the end of the day. Because when you are on your death,
When you were talking about spiritual journey, what spirituality meant to you?
spirituality, I feel God lives through us and lives through everything around us, like you, me, everything, like every living thing. The universe, like it's so crazy if you think about it. The more you think about something, it kind of manifests in your life.
Yeah.
And it's just crazy the more you think about it. So you make your own life. You are dealt, God gives you, your cards, you have to make the most of it. But at the end of the day, how much time do we actually spend on even thinking about God? Because if you think about it, like we are the most intelligent species in the universe, like known to man. Some will argue, there are some higher forms of life out there, but what we know for fact, like you have NASA and SpaceX spending trillions and zillions of dollars trying to find like another planet to inhabit it, or like trying to find other life forms. But what we know for fact is that we are human beings. We are the most intelligent species, the only species to have a consciousness,
Right.
to even be able to have the ability to think about a creator.
To make decisions.
And I find it like, even if you go into a deep meditative space, you just realize that yes, there's this universal force which governs everything, and as long as we can control our chakras and our energy, I think we can connect to the ultimate.
Yeah.
Like I think our ultimate, if you see, like there are billions of innumerable amount of species, but we have been gifted with
Yeah.
consciousness. So I think at the end of the day, our sole motto in life should be to be try and able to connect with God. So I think like whatever actions we do, at the end of the day, when you're on your, lying on your deathbed, you'll firstly think about all those core memories that you've created, all the good you've done, all the bad you've done. But at the end of the day, I think it is a spiritual journey, and karma is real. And just once you realize that, you start seeing life from a different perspective
Correct.
altogether.
Spirituality means different for different people. Some people believe in prayer, some people believe in energy, some people believe in something. And when you said about universe, I feel so connected. There is something I learned recently,
Yeah.
and I'd love to share. Tathastu.
Tathastu, yes. I have
Tathastu.
heard that.
And when earlier, like 1.5-2 साल पीछे जब लोग ये बोले कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, तथास्तु क्या होता है, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं, यूनिवर्स काम है, मैनिफेस्टेशन, पीपल वर टॉकिंग अबाउट आस्क बिलीव रिसीव, द लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, दे से कि if you ask anything to
Tathastu
universe,
is the right
yeah.
word.
And what I learned recently, so I was going through fever. I was down with fever, but I was doing event. I was the social media specialist of the team, and there were people, and I was doing things. So I was going through fever also. So I was taking rest, and I got to know there is a lady, Dr. Monica, and she was doing a session on something our mentor introduced. So I was so excited to know what is there. So she did an exercise on the stage, and we all were doing the exercise. They will not believe, I have taken medicine and I was down with fever. After the whatever the exercise she has done, it was not about your health, it was a exercise you connect with the higher energy, and it is healing
a
type
meditative,
of
healing thing.
and it, as you said, it's all
The
in your
mind is
mind.
very powerful,
It's
yeah.
all in your mind. And I was there. After that exercise, I was completely okay. Even
True.
physically, there was not fever. So
Yeah.
there is, the people say you have 4 bodies, like spiritual, emotional.
Yeah.
So you transform, if you are physically weak, then transfer your energy to mental state or something else so that you feel good. And that magically happened. When it happened, I was in shock. Like, how did this happen?
The mind is very powerful. It
Yeah.
can produce its own medicines
Something
to
she
cure.
has done with that, and I was like, wow. Before that also I started believing manifestation. Earlier obviously I was not, and when I said okay, let me try and let me see what is happening, so they say ki if you don't believe, it doesn't happen. If you believe, then it happens. And I manifested things, and it just happened so quickly.
Yeah.
I manifested clients, I manifested money, I manifested happiness. For me, ultimate thing is, and everything has happened so beautifully. And when we were talking about it, I felt Tathastu. Monica said the exact so whatever comes from your mouth, universe says Tathastu. Like anything, negative, positive. So
positive.
be mindful of what you are saying.
What you're saying, what you think.
If you say कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, universe says तथास्तु. If you
True.
say कि I'm
बहुत
rich,
पैसा है.
that's an affirmation. Like how we do
Affirmations, yeah.
positive affirmations.
Yeah.
And I said, wow, this is a very different state when you say
True.
only positive things, because it happens as tathastu.
True. You hardwire your brain also to get into that subconscious chain of thought ki haan. Then your brain also works automatically to
Correct,
manifest
correct.
those things.
नहीं,
It's a science. It's a
पहले-
proper science.
It's a proper science. मेरे को पहले इसलिए बिलीव नहीं होता सच में ऐसा कुछ होता है, बट इट इज एक्चुअली ऑल इन योर माइंड, एंड हाउ यू बिलीव एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग ऑन दैट वे. इट इज ट्रू.
Yeah.
And when I experienced, now when I keep talking to my friends who don't come from this space, they are like
Yeah.
कि कुछ भी बोल दिए. 11,
No, but it's
11.
very
and-
crazy. I also believe in brain waves, like whatever thoughts you give out to the universe. So the universe is like, you can imagine it as an ocean. Like the waves are basically energy waves. So the whole universe, like there are waves, like you see Wi-Fi or like Bluetooth. You can't see it, but there are frequencies. There are waves. So even our brain, it sends out brain waves. So if say suppose we are sitting here together, somewhere or the other, our brain waves have connected somewhere, and we've kind of met each other through that. So many things in my life has also happened through
Yeah.
so
And
whatever
it's
energy you
crazy.
put in out in the universe, it kind of gets bounces
Yeah.
back, and you connect with people who you've been meaning to connect, or you
Yes.
manifest things
Manifest.
that good bad both.
Yeah.
So it's pretty crazy. I think
what I
the
said, no,
universe is
tathastu.
this whole world is all about energy.
Yeah.
Like and brain waves are like people are doing studies on it, and they're proving like stuff.
Yeah. It's all actually science. It's not something that
It's all yogic science.
Yeah, it's not something that is not don't exist, but it actually I am telling you now, when I said people they say कि I'm crazy, but I was the same person who I
Who
was
didn't
saying
believe it before,
like,
yeah.
कुछ भी ऐसे कैसे तो मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो रहा है. मैं एक गोवा ट्रिप मैनिफेस्ट कर रही थी, 2 दिन के बाद मेरे को पता चल रहा है कि गोवा ट्रिप बंद, तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये कैसे हो गया. सो आफ्टर दैट नाउ इट डू ऑब्वियसली मैजिकल नहीं लगता है, बट व्हेन आई सी
Yeah.
कि कितनी क्रेजी है एंड कुछ
शॉर्ट टर्म कुछ में होता है, कुछ बहुत टाइम लग जाता है, बट होता है
Right,
अल्टीमेटली.
right.
लॉन्ग टर्म में भी.
एंड बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि मैनिफेस्टेशन हमारा क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा है, हमारी चीज़ें. मेरे को तो ज़्यादा पता नहीं है उसके बारे में, बट व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इन दिस जर्नी फ्रॉम द मेंटर्स कमिंग देयर एंड your energy. If you are
Yeah, your
not
energy.
in the higher energy and you don't connect with the universe, you manifest something, then
It
it
won't
never
happen.
never happens.
True.
Universe gives you tatha in negative and positive both. So
Both.
your energy needs to be on that
True.
space, then you get that.
You have
And
to train
obviously-
your mind also to
Yeah.
attract those things, like
Yeah.
be in that frequency.
It's crazy. If you see, whatever magical things has happened. How did this happen when you? I have seen so many things. I have been manifesting, talking about Raj Samani. When I was seeing Raj, I was like, he so inspiring by his journey and everything. And the moment he entered the room, it was like so magical. Out of nowhere, it just happened. But I was manifesting it kahin na kahin. And
Yeah,
talking
true.
about the show, everything I
Yeah.
feel, the space I'm in with
Yeah.
you, the studio, everything is
Manifested.
कहीं ना
somewhere or the
कहीं
other.
you wanted it and
it's
universe
happening.
felt it and the right time you got it.
That is
कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हें मिलता नहीं है, जब मिलता नहीं है तब तुम रेडी नहीं होते हो.
true.
अनदर वन कॉन्सेप्ट ऑब्वियसली एग्जिस्ट भी करता है. तुम्हें अगर 20,000 मिलता है, तुम 20,000 ही मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हो, तुम्हें यूनिवर्स कभी भी 2 लाख नहीं देगा. इट्स लाइक दैट. व्हेन आई सी ग्रोथ इन माय बिजनेस राइट नाउ, आई एम नॉट एबल टू बिलीव जो क्रेजीएस्ट थिंग मेरे साथ हो रहा है. व्हेन यू सेड दैट एंड आई हैव बीन
Some
डूइंग
people are blessed also,
पर 2 साल से वो नहीं हो रहा था. इट इज लाइक व्हेन योर एनर्जी
is in the right frequency.
Yeah, and also I
it
feel
happens.
intention to serve. My intention was purely to help my clients, and they
True.
felt that when I had a one-to-one
Yeah,
call.
that energy exchange happens.
Yeah, that they felt ki okay, genuinely she wanted to help us, and see they joined. It was unexpected, and when you don't expect anything, everything happens so beautifully. When you expect it, doesn't happen.
Absolutely.
I feel कि manifestation इतने सारे चीज़ों में काम कर रहा है, कहीं कहीं पे क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा है. When I feel कि maybe universe नहीं चाहता है कि वो life में मेरे वो चीज़ आए, because there is something maybe not connecting, and you should be prepared. And rejections and
Yeah,
all we
yeah.
get because of that.
Yeah.
For me, this JRE show was so magical. I never got no from any speakers as of now. I reached out to, I have like 60 speakers lined up right now, and I either लोगों ने मेरे मैसेज नहीं दिखाए, और जिसने देखा है they felt so connected in messages. And people keep asking me कैसे 200 फॉलोअर में कैसे आ जाते हैं ये लोग. How Raj Samani told you yes to do, he has 2 million, 3 million. I said, I don't know. When I asked him, he said, your aura is so powerful, and I met him for 5 to 10 minutes of conversation. And I feel it's not me who is doing it. It's the upper energy and universe. आपने भी experience किया होगा, रोडीज हुआ या जो भी
Yeah.
अभी लाइफ में हो रहा है, you must
Yeah.
have an experience.
Yeah, that's why I said, it's life is a spiritual journey. Once you know like that these things are for real, you start, your outlook on life changes.
Yeah.
Like
So
because
how-
the brain waves and everything, it works wonders. Like whatever, like that's why people, in the past when you look down history, कुछ लोग भगवान तक बन गए. Like उनकी आज तक पूजा होती है, but they were nothing but
Yeah.
yogis, you could call them. People who
Correct.
meditated, who stayed in nature, who somewhere or the other connected to the higher force on a different level.
Right.
and they were able to keep Maya aside to do that. That's the most difficult thing in today's time. So I feel like it's all in our mind and how we channelize our thoughts. So if you channelize your thoughts enough, even to try and connect with God, you can. So I think that is a real.
Yeah.
Like I have a lot of friends who are also who don't believe in God or stuff like that, but I think at the end of the day, there is a higher force that has created this whole universe, and I believe that this universe is all about energy, and we are gifted
yeah.
to be able to give out energy and receive energy.
Receive energy.
So you can literally manifest whatever you want.
No, if you don't believe in God, I feel there is something that how
has
we are
created,
here.
yeah.
There is something. If you go to science, go to back, go to back, go to back, go
Yeah.
to where all started,
How
still
did
you will
matter
not
come
find who
into
has done it.
existence? True.
सब कुछ मिलने के बाद भी
That
there
is the. I think that is a question which will always baffle
it is
humankind.
not, yeah, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, whenever you go to the starting of human
Creation.
thing, creation, you will find there is something above that. So there
True.
is something that we all feel, we all are here for.
It's so mind-boggling because if you look at life from that perspective, then you see everything around you is like immaterial.
Right.
Although we are living in Maya, so we have a responsibility. We have to make money to support our lifestyle. We always want more from life, and that is perfectly natural. But at the same time, I think every individual needs to give out some time to pray or like just go internal.
Yeah.
Because that works.
Bhagwan and Gard, what you were saying
Just
is
internalize.
Yeah,
and
internal.
Channelize your energy.
Meditation makes you a very different person. I was telling you, I was very angry. If you see, my mom used to keep telling me कि मैं उनके घर की बच्ची हुई नहीं क्योंकि I'm very different. But
Yeah.
ऐसा थी नहीं मैं बहुत जिद्दी थी, बहुत लड़ाकू थी, and it all changed because of the meditation and being with people and everything. So what you are saying is very true. Obviously लोगों को जिनको believe नहीं होता, they have not.
But there are a lot of people who do believe in this. And अभी भी वो I think that consciousness like लोग अभी और भी aware हो रहे हैं
Right.
about
Mental
these
health problems बढ़ रहा है दुनिया में, रिलेशनशिप सिचुएशनशिप सब अलग अलग इतने चीज़ें पंगा लाइफ में लोगों की इतनी है. नाउ पीपल आर गेटिंग इनटू स्पिरिचुअल थिंग्स. आई फील लोग ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअल हो रहे हैं अभी व्हेन एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग इन.
एजुकेशन भी मैटर करता है like
अवेयरनेस मैटर करता है वो.
I think in school they should make it mandatory.
Yeah.
All these exercises like basic yoga, meditation.
Basic things, yeah.
Like I think the most important lessons in life they don't teach you in school or in colleges.
I don't
वो आप
agree. हम
लाइफ
तो
के धक्के खाते खाते ही सीखते हो.
Correct.
Practical experiences make you. And then this, I think this is something which only life experience at the end of the day. I think very fortunate people only get to realize.
We come from training space. We believe in same thing. Education system doesn't teach us anything. Like how to do sailing, how to make money. Nobody teaches us.
grooms you for the system, but not for.
Grooms you for the system, but now
If you want to break from that system, become part of the 1%.
System was happening when our parents are there. Now, we were discussing in the starting of the podcast, you go to any field, you make money. Who is going to teach you that the passion is something that can give you money? It was earlier कि डॉक्टर इंजीनियर वाली चीजें चलता था. अभी तो नहीं चल रहा है. अभी that is normal like it is. Doing podcasting, you can make money. Into fitness, you can make money. Who is going to teach that? That is something that we, and I feel it will take some time. Again, education system needs to change. Meditation, mental health things.
Upbringing also,
Yeah,
if your parents support you to do what you love, at the end of the day, you'll have a happy life.
Correct.
And at the end of the day, you have to fight the world also. Sometimes situation ऐसा हो सकता है, you might have to fight your parents, might have to fight your whoever's close to you because you have your own goals to achieve, you have your own life to live. Because if you are living somebody else's life, then at the end of the
there
day,
is
you
no
will be
point.
miserable and then they'll also feel miserable after a point of time. So just do what makes you happy. Try to figure out a way to like have food on the table while you're doing it. And the rest, if you believe in God,
Everything is figured out.
yeah, tathastu, it will happen.
Yeah, it will happen. Before we end this podcast, there is a question that I asked to all my speakers. It's like a very
Yeah.
special question to me.
Yeah.
If you want to give one message to our audience, what will that be?
Just believe in yourself and believe in the law of universe. And thoughts become things, so be mindful about your thoughts. Also, be very mindful about where you spend your time and energy in, because the more time and energy you spend on manifesting the things that really matter in life, they'll come sooner. So just have belief in that, and when you're going through any tough times in life, just believe that it is grooming you for the future, for the good things to come. So that is all I can say. just have the willpower and keep working hard
That's a very powerful
and believe
message.
in this
Yeah.
chain of thought.
Everything is here.
Everything is here.
If you
right?
believe you can do it, then you
If you
can
believe
do
it, you can achieve it.
Yeah. Thank you so much for
Thank
being
you
a
so
part
much
of the
for
Jerry
having
show.
me.
It was
so
is
good to
amazing.
share.
Yeah,